Many popular snack foods have too many carbs to easily fit into a keto diet plan. This can be particularly frustrating when you're trying to ward off that between-meal hunger. If you've found yourself in this nutritional predicament, don't worry. There are many low-carb snack options that are just as healthy as they are delicious. This article outlines 21 keto-friendly snacks to include in your next meal plan. 1. Mini frittatas. Mini frittatas, or egg muffins, are a great keto-friendly snack that's easy to prepare and fully customizable. All you need to get started is a dozen eggs. Standard 12-cup muffin pan. Mixing bowl and oven. To begin, beat the eggs in a bowl and season with a little salt and pepper. Distribute the egg mixture evenly between each muffin cup and add your preferred low-carb ingredients like spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes. Cheese. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until set. Exact nutrition information varies depending on what you add to your recipe. One frittata, 170 grams, may provide up to 320 calories, 14 grams of protein, and 21 grams of fat. Store them in the refrigerator so you can easily grab a couple on your way out, or bake a few batches and freeze them for later. 2. Caprese salad. Skewers. Caprese salad is a classic Italian favorite. When you assemble the ingredients on skewers, it turns into a great portable snack. Preparing it is as easy as alternating pieces of fresh mozzarella cheese, basil leaves, and cherry tomatoes onto skewers. Eat it plain or mix a little balsamic vinegar and olive oil for dipping. A 3.5-ounce serving, 100 grams, of caprese salad may provide about 139 calories, 7 grams of protein, and 11 grams of fat, not including dipping sauce. 3. Caesar salad bites. If you're a fan of Caesar salad, you'll love these mini Caesar salad bites. You can use romaine lettuce if you want to keep it classic, but a heartier type of green like kale holds up better if you're not planning to eat them right away. Make individual cups to hold the salad by heating tablespoon-sized portions of grated Parmesan cheese on a parchment-lined baking pan. Bake until the cheese has melted and is starting to brown. Let the melted cheese portions cool slightly before placing each over the bottom side of a mini muffin pan, lightly pressing the cheese into the shape of the muffin cups. Let them cool completely, and they'll turn into small, edible, crispy cups. Toss the greens with your favorite dressing and portion into each Parmesan cup. In lieu of croutons, top with roasted pumpkin seeds or pistachios for extra crunch. For more protein, add chopped chicken or smoked salmon. 4. Cajun-style shrimp and bell pepper kebabs. Shrimp are a great source of heart-healthy omega-3 fats. They're also lower in mercury than other types of seafood, making them a healthy and keto-friendly snack option. First, use a Cajun-style dry rub on the shrimp. Place the seasoned shrimp on skewers, alternating with thick slices of fresh bell pepper. Bake or grill the kebabs until the shrimp is fully cooked and the peppers are crisp tender. Serve right away, or store in the refrigerator until you're ready to eat. 5. Veggie sticks with nut butter. Pairing fresh or lightly cooked vegetables with your favorite nut butter is one of the simplest, nutrient-rich snacks you can make. Nuts are loaded with heart-healthy fats. Research suggests that regularly eating nuts may support blood sugar management and weight loss. A 2-tablespoon 32-gram serving of peanut butter, without added oil, typically contains around 16 grams of fat. Dip raw carrots and celery in almond butter or try lightly steamed or grilled broccoli drizzled with peanut butter. If you're not making your own nut butter, be sure to check the label of the type you purchase, as some recipes contain added sugar. The best and healthiest nut butters only require one ingredient, nuts. 6. Salmon salad. Celery boat salmon is not only a good source of omega-3 fats and protein but also vitamin D, a nutrient many people don't get enough of. A 3.5-ounce 100-gram serving of canned salmon provides over half of the daily value (DV) of vitamin D, and it can quickly be made into a salad that suits a keto diet. Combine cooked salmon and mayonnaise to make a simple, keto-friendly salad. You can customize the recipe by adding fresh herbs, spices, garlic, or lemon. Serve the salmon salad stuffed into fresh celery stalks for an extra nutrient boost and satisfying crunch. 7. Keto sushi rolls. Keto sushi rolls are excellent nutrient-rich snacks that come together in as little as 15 minutes. All you need is a pack of nori seaweed sheets and some uniformly chopped veggies and fish to use for filling. You can use raw, sushi-grade fish, but it's not necessary. Smoked fish or no fish at all, plus lots of veggies like avocado, bell pepper, and cucumber, will work just as well. To boost the fat content, you can add cream cheese or serve it with a spicy peanut sauce, just make sure it doesn't contain added sweetener. To assemble the sushi, simply lay out the nori and dampen the edges with a little water. Lay your filling on the nori sheet and roll it tightly. Slice it into bite-sized pieces or eat it like a wrap. 8. Collard green sandwich wraps. Collard greens are loaded with essential nutrients, including folate, calcium, vitamins K, C, and what's more, their large, hearty leaves lend themselves well to a low-carb sandwich wrap. After trimming the stems, place the collards in a pot of simmering water for 20 to 30 seconds. Remove them from the pot and place immediately into a bowl of ice water for a few seconds. Pat them dry with a clean towel and begin making your sandwich wraps. Fill your wraps with items like fresh herbs, avocado, chicken salad, tuna salad, sliced turkey, roasted veggies, cream cheese. 9. Avocado egg salad. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, minerals, anti-inflammatory compounds. Some research even suggests they may promote healthy aging. Using avocado as a substitute for mayonnaise in traditional egg salad is a great way to boost the nutritional content of this classic dish while still keeping your snack keto compatible. Combine a few diced, hard-boiled eggs, mashed avocado, minced red onion, and a bit of salt and pepper. Serve with lettuce wraps, celery sticks, thick slices of cucumber and radish. 10. Veggie sticks with guacamole. Guacamole makes a great, portable, and healthy keto snack, as avocados are loaded with fat, fiber, and a hefty dose of essential nutrients. In fact, avocados provide 15 grams of fat and 24% of the DV of fiber per 3.5 cup 100-gram serving. To make guacamole, simply mash a ripe avocado and combine with lime juice, diced red onion, and salt and pepper. Fresh jalapeno makes an excellent addition, too. If you're not up for making your own, you can buy pre-made and individually packaged guacamole. Although guacamole is good to eat by itself, you can also use sweet bell peppers, red radishes, celery, or broccoli for dipping. Thanks for watching.